Are you enjoying the movie player?
Yeah, it's fine.
Hun, can you turn the volume down? It's pretty loud.
Ah!
Oh, I should check the dessert.
Boy, this remote is busted!
What remote?
This one! The one you brought for the TV!
Wait a minute. Of course! That's what's doing it! Huggy, quick! Give me that remote!
Oh, I see what's going on here! You think you're better at pressing buttons than I am! Well, I'll have you know that I'm great at pressing buttons! I've been pressing buttons since before you were a sparkle in your pappy's eyeballs! I can press buttons hard! I can press buttons soft! I can press fast or kinda slow! Heck, I'm one of the best button pressers I know!
Huggy!
What?
Do not press that button anymore!
Oh, alright! The darn thing's broke anyway!